Story time with Delightful's Love, Peace, and Positivity. Today's book, Corduroy'S Valentine's Day. Freeman Viking. It's almost Valentine's Day, Corduroy. Time to make some Valentines. Corduroy clears off a place to work and gets out scissors, colored paper, and crayons. Who's that at the door? Your friends are here, Corduroy. They want to make Valentines too. Everybody is hard at work. Look at the beautiful Valentines they are making. Time for a snack of juice and cupcakes. Better wash your paws and face, Corduroy. Corduroy delivers all his Valentines. Can you reach that mailbox, Corduroy? Look what's waiting for Corduroy when he gets back home. Happy Valentine's Day, Corduroy. And happy Valentines to all of you. Peace.